Hello, this is Mr. Hupp, and I want to talk about your assignment, Exploring Household Chemicals. Your presentation will begin with the title slide, so you'll give it a clever name. And you'll also need to put your name at the bottom on the title slide, so I know who did the work. All right, once you've done that, what you need to do is explore chemical labels or labels on products and foods and things in your home and find them, and you're going to put them on a slide and give me a little bit of information. So what I would suggest is on your templates, you need to squeeze this over to the right. So I'm going to select both of these, and I'm going to go to about half of the page. And that's going to give me room to put my picture. So let's say I took this picture. And then I need to identify the chemical I want to talk about. In this case, I want to talk about sodium dioxide. So I'm going to use a shape. I like this one with the rounded corners. And then I'm going to go put that around the shape. Notice how it filled it in and it covered it up. What you can do is choose the fill button and choose transparent, and then also choose a different color that stands out for the edges and make the edges of the little box more clear by choosing a color that you can see. So now I have a little circle around that. For the title of the slide, let's put the chemical name. Then the first thing you're going to put is the chemical formula. So in this case it's silicon dioxide, and that to make this look right, you need to also make these subscripts look correct. So highlight the subscript. You can choose Format, Text, and you should see subscript right here. This is a Windows computer, and it says use Control and comma to make this a subscript. That's a shortcut key. It will probably say something different on an Apple, but you can check the keyboard shortcut there to make this a little bit faster. So we're going to apply that subscript. Now my chemical formula looks correct. The other thing you need to do is do some quick research and give me a quote about what it's used for. So I found this quote about what is sodium dioxide used for. So I found this quote. One of the things you can do is when you paste things from the internet, you can highlight that text and you can do format and clear formatting. And what that will do is it will make the format match your document, and that makes it look nicer. Let's look at this. Silicon dioxide is also added to many foods and supplements. As a food additive, it serves as an anti-caking agent to avoid clumping. Let's reword this just a bit. All right, that shortened it up a little bit, and it still makes sense. So silicon dioxide is added to many foods and supplements. It serves as an anti-caking agent to avoid clumping. That's what it's used for. So this is basically how I want your slides to look. You will have a picture of a food label or a product label. You will identify a chemical formula to explore. You will find the chemical formula and provide that for us using subscripts. And then you're going to do a quick research, just Google what is this used for, and give me a short phrase that explains what it is put in the food or product. What purpose does it serve? All right, so I'll have more instructions for you, but that is basics of how I want you to set up your presentation.